Hello my dear art fellows! Today we're gonna paint cute kitchen tools and we're gonna bring them to life. My name is Inga, I am freelance illustrator and I am obsessed with watercolor, cute things and magic. So why not to combine all of it together? During my tutorials I teach you how to use Procreate in a fun and interesting way and a simple way, of course. And in my class I like to share different tips and tricks how to use Procreate. I will take you through the whole journey, and first of all I'll show you how to export all our freebies into the Procreate. Second step, I will teach you how to create texture paper. Third step, we're gonna create some lovely sketches. After that, I'll show you how to add life into your art. And the last step, we will start painting process. We're gonna add colors, add shades and texture. I hope you are ready for our painting process, and if so, let's start painting. Hi guys, so happy to see you today. During our today's class we will create cute illustrations with kitchen tools and we will personalize them. I like to create cute animals, so why not to make cute kitchenware? So what about our plan? What should we do first, second, third and so on? Let me tell you. First of all, I will show you how to export all our freebies. Then we will create textured paper. Our third step will be creating sketch, and finally we can start painting. By the way, during our tutorial I will show you two ways how to paint illustrations in watercolor style. And here are these two artworks that we create today. You can see it here. This is the first one and second one. So let's not wait longer, it's time to jump into our new topic and create something magnificent.